In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions into your CapCut project. So I have my project here, and let's say you have two separate clips here. As you see, they're two different ones here, and I want to add a transition in between these two clips. So what you can do is it doesn't matter if you have a video selected or if you don't have anything selected. So go ahead and pick a place where you want them to be. I'm going to choose in between these two clips here and go to the top where you see all of these different options and go ahead and click transitions. So it's important to know that all of these transitions that have the blue little diamond or the purple little diamond here, it's part of the pro package, so you would have to pay for that. But there's plenty of free ones to use. So what I'm going to do is actually just all you have to do is click and drag, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have it in your hand, in your cursor here, and just drop it in. So what that's going to do is it's going to place your transition, and then we can hit play, and then you see it go. So what we can also do is split a clip and then put a transition anywhere that we want. So let's say for example, I'm just going to choose here, and I'm going to split this clip. And then I'm going to go further down the line here and split it once again, and then be able to add transitions to those separated clips as well. So we can just go in here, choose something here. I'll put a transition there, and then I will choose another transition and insert it where the other break was in the clip. So now I have three different transitions going on. So we can hit play, watch that go. And then we can go to the other one just to show, for example, and there you go. And you can also change the duration of that actual transition. So I can make this a lot longer, and you see it get wider here. So I can go back and play it once again, and that transition is going to be much longer. That way you can actually see what's going on, and you can change the duration of those transitions. Hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next video.